So today I'll be sharing with you the activities which you can do with the help of blocks. And activities with blocks helps out kids hand and eye coordination, their fine motor skills as they are using their hands, fingers, arms, so it helps them out for strengthening them. It also helps them out for increasing their vocab, identifying the different colors, structures, sizes, and even shapes. It also helps them out how to do the organizing of different things. So overall the blocks helps out very much, and today's activity is all about the usage of blocks. So you can do first the color sorting, like you can take this kind of big blocks, or if you want you can take any small blocks also. Many different blocks are available. I'll share with you the links regarding this kind of blocks which I'm using over here. I'm using the mega blocks. You can also take any small blocks. You can also take the legos as well. So let's start. What are the first activities which you can do with the help of blocks? So now first of all, as I said, that color differentiation they can do. So suppose you can ask the kid to segregate all the sky blues. So can you give me all the sky blues, Arshi?
Yes.
Okay, give me all the sky blues.
This is sky blue.
Very good. So likewise you can ask your kid to segregate the different colors. Whatever color is available in your kid's block set, you can ask the kid to segregate them. So this is a very fun activity along with their learning. So this was the first activity. Is that the second number of activity is to build a tower and to count along with that. So suppose 1 1 2, then comes 1 2 3. So in this way you can ask the kid, you can help them out for different kind of counting. You can start with 1 to 5, then 1 to 10. You can also ask them to build the different color towers, and by counting the tower, suppose 1 1 ke baad 1 2 1 2 3, like this kind of different towers also you can ask them and count 1 2 and 3. Then with the help of blocks you can also teach them same and different, that this both are same because they both are of same color, right Arshi? These two blocks are of same color.
ये भी green color का.
Yes, so they all are same.
Same.
But now these two are different because this is of red color and this is of
Different.
blue color, so they both are different. So same and different concept also you can teach along with the help of this kind of blocks. You can also teach them the height wise. Suppose this is so short and tall, this height wise also you can show. Now this is a 3 tower tall, right? And this is short. So like this short and tall you can ask the kid. This also you can
This was the
teach them. Next what you can do is you can create a pattern and you can ask the kid to do the same. Like suppose I am taking over here a red, a green, a blue. Now ask the kid also to make the same way, so that this will help them out for their hand and eye coordination and to understand what they have to make. Suppose yes, red, green, very good. And then
blue.
yes, very good. Oops.
Blue.
Very good. So can you keep it here?
Yes.
Yes. So like this she have made. In the same way also you can ask the kid. So this will help them out to understand the hand and eye coordination also, and also to identify how the patterns are made. So this pattern from the smaller you can start, and then you can increase the pattern, and then the complexity also you can increase on the different ways. So this is another activity which you can play with the help of blocks. After that, in a box you can keep all this different kind of shapes, the different kind of blocks which you have. This kind of blocks you can keep, and then out of the whole stock of blocks what they are having, they have to find out the same pattern and then they have to match the pair. So same as a pair they have to find out. So how we have to do, let's see. So like how we have done over here this activity, the pattern making of different kind of with the help of blocks you can do, and this kind of pattern making you can do n number of times. How, I'll show you how we have done it for the single pattern. Now you can increase the complexity with two patterns. So here I have kept it red and yellow. In the same way I have kept it blue and green. So the kid also have to find out in the same pattern of this. So they also have to, so you also have to make like this kind of, okay, blue and green. So
Yes.
make, first do for this one.
Yes, Mama.
Okay, first do for this.
Really?
Find out.
This is not.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
And yellow.
very good. So like this kind of pattern making also you can do red, yellow, like this kind of. So like this you can give them the complexities. You can increase with the 3 colors, you can increase with the 4 colors. So this is another activity which you can do with the help of blocks. With the help of blocks you can also teach them different kind of numberings also. So how we can take, so we will do, Archie, you will do along with mama?
Yes.
Okay, so take. So like this we will mix it up, the green is ready. So like this yes, very good. So the kid will also have fun along with this while doing this activity. Also make them understand that they should fit it properly. Okay, Ashu, you should fit it properly, otherwise it will fall down. So like this, the replica you do, along with that the kid will also do. They will enjoy this activity and they will also learn how to write 3, how to do the 3, the differences between the different numbers and all that they will understand. So and I will share the few pictures that how to do the different kind of numberings from 1 to 9. So this kind of color sorting which you can do. So there are many other activities with the help of blocks which you can do. So in my upcoming videos I will be sharing with you what are the other activities that you can do along with the blocks. So stay tuned with the videos